A very small little alley called Beco de Rosa, the mouth of the rose. Get out of the sun a little bit. And before we even go down there, what I'm going to do is show you what's over there, because there's ocean. There's a lot of other cool little stuff too. So we're going to do all that stuff too, and then go down Beco de Rosa. So stay tuned. Chiquinha, Chiquinha. Let's go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Beco de Rosa. So before we go down this little alley, we're just gonna show you a little bit of what's around here. So we got some nice little trees, balconies. This street goes down all the way down the coastal road, so let's just show you a little bit. Got some really beautiful balconies right there, the little temple down that way, and then we're gonna just kind of go over this way. Another beautiful tree. Let's kind of pop it over this way a little bit. We got all this too. So this street goes all the way down, and there's a bunch of businesses behind me, so let's go check those out too. Got park benches everywhere. There we go. Looks like we could probably go through here too. Little living room. Like, so yeah, so there's a waterfront there. This street's a little bit crowded, otherwise I'd walk through there, but it looks pretty cool too. It's amazing. So actually, the sidewalk goes all the way down that way. There's a little waterfront right there. There's some beautiful artwork right there. There's another little places to sit right there. Benches all the way around over there. And then you can also see kind of that little sandbar area too. It's a nice little business. We're still gonna go down that particular one. Let's just kind of venture around a little bit.
That's in China.
Okay, so we're gonna check this out real quick too. So you have that little pier, waterfront, those things too. So let's just kind of go down. So this is the main street right. Okay, so we're just gonna head down Beco de Rosa, and we just have to kind of navigate back over there a little bit. So we're gonna try to, this is our kind of central part of the city right there. Got some beautiful trees everywhere, and we're gonna try to go down that one. So let's just try to see how well we can do that. Okay, so Beco de Rosa is coming up. There's Anytime Fitness. So now you kind of got some context of exactly where this is at. And then we're gonna go down this road right here. So this is kind of our entranceway right there. And that's our focus right there, Beco de Rosa. And now we're gonna head down this way. Since this is our focused road, we'll see what's in here, including these windows. And then we kind of fade back out this way too. And then we have a business right here. Oh, it's like a boarded up space right here, so you can barely see through that slightly. Oh, this one, it's like out of some funny material. Cool looking material. This is Beco de Rosa. It's the Houston court. In New York they'd call it Houston. Like all apartments in there. And I guess those apartments are those ones up there with those windows. That's really unfortunate. They got these beautiful windows, but they can't see out for any view. That's really unfortunate. Oh, that looks beautiful. That looks really cool. See what this is. Very Coloane-ish. Animal Liberation Front. There's a lot of dog shelters in this area too, Coloane. I don't know what language that is. This is in Portuguese. There is no other but well, there, not, other, more, reading. I'm not sure. Oh, read books. Okay. There's nothing better than reading, I think. Cool. Kind of a beautiful little fish. Catching a fish. Wow, that alley looks pretty cool. Especially when you go like that. It's really nice. Then check out, and then those are those windows right there. Those windows, oh, it's too bad. But as soon as you step out a little bit, so we're gonna step out, and now you can see how beautiful those windows are when you go like that. But their view still isn't very good because they're basically just viewing this here. I guess technically they could sit in the windowsill and look out into this little alley. So okay, that's Beco de Rosa. There's a Lord Styles restaurant is right there too. So maybe we're gonna check that out as well. And your main street is over that way as well. There's a little market right there too. And Lord Styles, Beco de Rosa, Lord Stowe's right here. So this is kind of a famous place. So we're gonna go all the way to the corner here. So there's Lord Stowe's right there. And we're gonna try to capture it right here in the corner like that. And there you go, Lord Stowe's.
Chiquinha, Chiquinha.